There were strong thunderstorm strikes in parts of Austria. After some violent storms raged during the day with hailstones the size of tennis balls and heavy rain, the Austrian Severe Weather Center issued another severe weather warning on Sunday evening. Later in the evening, strong thunderstorms with sometimes heavy gusts of wind, hail and heavy rain hit the north side of the Alps. Due to a hail shower, in which small but big accumulation hailstones fell, many drains are blocked, and the water backs up on the streets. The storms of the past few days have heavily saturated the ground with water, causing small watercourses to overflow. The hailstones in some places were up to 10 centimeters in diameter. The windshields of dozens of cars were broken. Austrian weather authorities said the storm should be particularly intense in the Wiener Neustadt and Upper Styria regions, while Lower Austria and Upper Austria should also experience strong storms.